Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Samla ki day ka Jingdon Jingem Jong ka Imlang Sahlang. But ki Samla ki haban so tho yelade ka ka Jing snautanat ka Jingkot Jingmut bat ka thong ka Jong ki. Bakin bu Lahkmen. Knang bakin la ban ya chaprang ha ka Jingem ka Jong ki. Ya ka ne lapan pau da menteri katnat pule puthi ka sorkar jilla uba Lahkmen Rymbui haba Wan penha perdano ia kata yo Lahkmen ni ka college week jong ki Samla pule ka Nongtalang College Amlaram Civil Subdivision ka West Genti Hills District ha ka Jingelang ka balalong ha building thamai jong ka college ha ka Arhu South Rek ulaber haba beteng ya ka Jingkren uba Lahkmen Rymbui uloong baya umau nong rim jong ka Nongtalang College labu da usal seng si marak bat kala shimpor pala lighthouse nem ban poi shaka jaka jongka ka bapura.
Education today is a very timely, as I used to say, time and again. But you, the young mind, we know that in the state of Nigeria, we have a very high percentage of young population. And we want that all this young mind to be the assets to the society, more importantly, to contribute in whatever form they can. But you have to prepare yourself. Many of you don't know what to do in the future and what you will do and what type of journey you will undertake. The most important thing is that because we don't know who we are. So my dear friend, first of all, who are you? You have to understand. When I talk about who are you, in you, there are many things. There are many talents which is hidden in you. First and foremost, you have to understand yourself. What is passion, your passion? What is your recognition? And what is your cherished goal? This is very, very important so that you can move ahead in life. And as I said, life is not very easy. The journey is not long. It takes 32 years, 33 years for the college since its foundation, laying foundation stone till day to reach a beautiful campus here. For you also that journey, it is long. But having said that, no journey is long enough if you have the courage in yourself that yes, I know what to do, I know what I want to do, and I know what is my cherished goal. Because what will help you in life, education and life skills. So develop these life skills. What is your passion? What you want to do? That is very, very important. And the other thing which I want to say, that sometimes the youth of today think that, oh, this government, what is the government is doing? The government is neglect because we didn't get job. My dear friend, you have to prepare yourself. The government of Nigeria, under the leadership of Comrade Samla, we have invested huge amount of money for education sector. For your information of the student, 2024-25, only salary we paid at Nongtalang College is 4 crore plus. Only scholarship to the student about 27 lakh. 4.5 lakh, 4 crore 550 lakh. We invest in the Nongtalang College for whom? For you. The amount of investment which the government invested. So it's up to you. And we open an opportunity. How? Some of you will know, oh, we are very poor. We cannot pay our fees. My dear friend, fees is never paid fully by you. I'm talking about who are within the income limit. You know, in 2000, before 2018, how much the student gets scholarship? Mang Ernest will know. Less than 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,000. But now, till 45,000. And who benefit? Is the college. That's why that day, when we have a meeting with the principal of government college, I said, you raise your fees. Raise your fees. But take 50 or 70%, take the fees which you take every year, take this year. Let the student pay the fees after they get the scholarship. So that the college, Kiamamba government college, about 3,000 students. If they increase by 10,000, which will not pay by the student, only paid by the government only, because post-matric scholarship, I mean 3 crore extra will come to that college. And with this 3 crore, they don't need money for excursion, they don't need money for development, they don't need money from the government to introduce new course for the student. The other thing which I want to say, that I'm very happy that this year on the 16th of January 2026, I'm very thankful to the Honorable Cabinet. It started in my mind in 2018 when I took over education. I have seen skills education introduced after class 10. So what to do? And the skills they introduce, it is based what type of the school want. Then I told since that day, why not we give freedom to the student? So I'm very happy. I'm very thankful to Honorable Cabinet that they approve that we will introduce from class 6 onwards the community integrated learning, skills learning, CISL, from class 6 to class 10. What do it mean? And that carries a map. In class 10, 50% of the health and physical education map will be that subject. Why we want to use that? We want that every student should have some basic skills with education so that they will empower them more. So these are the new initiatives which the government is embarking upon for the betterment of education. Every youth, every people, everywhere in the Meghalaya, why not the government set up the college somewhere? Why not the government set up high secondary school somewhere? What type of government is this? Who never take care? When we handhold for Nongtlang College, 4 crore we spend, only 200 students, and 2 lakh per student. This the government spend here to educate you.